Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why won't my car shift from park to drive? Ever find yourself stuck in a situation where your car won't shift from park to drive? It's a common but frustrating problem. This issue can affect your daily routine and even pose safety risks if not addressed promptly. Understanding why this happens can save you time, money, and hassle. In this video, we'll break down the possible reasons behind the problem and what you can do to fix it. Stay tuned to get your car back on the road quickly and safely. Symptoms of car not shifting from park to drive. When your car experiences difficulty shifting gears, several signs may indicate a problem with the shifting mechanism. Keep an eye out for these common symptoms that suggest your vehicle may not shift from park to drive smoothly. Dashboard indicator lights. Check your dashboard for specific warning lights that could signal issues with the shifting mechanism. If you see lights like shift lock or transmission illuminated, it might point toward potential problems with the gear shifting process. These indicators are crucial in alerting you to underlying issues that need attention. Unusual sounds or clicking noise. Listen for unusual sounds coming from your car when attempting to shift gears. Strange noises like grinding, clicking, or whirring could be indicative of problems within the shifting mechanism. These sounds are abnormalities that require prompt investigation to prevent further damage to your vehicle's transmission system. Causes of shifting issues. Experiencing difficulties shifting your car from park to drive can be frustrating and concerning. Several factors may contribute to this issue, ranging from common problems to rare occurrences. Let's look at the potential causes of shifting issues and how they can impact your ability to switch gears smoothly. Faulty brake light switch. One common culprit behind shifting problems is a faulty brake light switch. This component is responsible for signaling to the vehicle's system that the brake pedal is engaged. When the brake light switch malfunctions, it can prevent the shifter from engaging, leading to issues when trying to shift gears. Imagine trying to play a game without the controller connecting to the console. The result is a disconnect that impedes smooth operation. Shift interlock solenoid problems. Another common cause of shifting issues is related to problems with the shift interlock solenoid. This solenoid acts as a safety feature, ensuring that the vehicle cannot shift out of park without the brake pedal being pressed. When the shift interlock solenoid encounters issues, such as electrical malfunctions or mechanical failures, it can hinder the gear shift process. It's like having a gatekeeper that suddenly stops granting access. You're left stuck in one place without the ability to move forward. Transmission linkage issues. Issues with the transmission linkage can also contribute to difficulties in shifting gears. The transmission linkage is responsible for transmitting the driver's gear selections to the transmission itself. If there are problems with the linkage, such as misalignment, wear and tear, or damage, it can result in the inability to shift gears smoothly. Picture a chain with a broken link. The connection is disrupted, preventing the smooth flow of movement from one gear to another. By understanding these potential causes of shifting issues, you can be better equipped to address and resolve any issues you may encounter when trying to shift your car from park to drive. Remember, timely maintenance and addressing problems promptly can help prevent more significant issues down the road. Diagnosis and repair solutions. After realizing your car is stuck in park, it's crucial to diagnose and potentially resolve the issue promptly for a safe driving experience. Understanding some common solutions can help you tackle this problem efficiently. Checking brake lights and fuses. Start by checking the brake lights and fuses as they are often linked to the shifting mechanism. Malfunctioning brake lights or blown fuses can cause the car to remain stuck in the park. Begin by inspecting the brake lights to ensure they are illuminating properly when the brake pedal is pressed. Then, examine the fuses related to the transmission system to see if any of them are damaged or blown. Replacing faulty fuses or fixing the brake light issue might resolve the shifting problem. Testing the shift interlock system. Another essential step is testing the shift interlock system, particularly the solenoid responsible for releasing the shift lever. You can do this by turning the ignition key to the on position without starting the car and pressing the brake pedal. If you don't hear a clicking sound near the gear shift when you press the brake pedal, there may be an issue with the shift interlock solenoid. In such cases, consulting a mechanic for further evaluation and potential replacement is advisable. Professional mechanic assistance. If the shifting issue persists or if you encounter difficulty diagnosing the problem, seeking help from a professional mechanic is highly recommended. A qualified mechanic can conduct a detailed inspection using specialized tools and expertise to identify the root cause of the shifting problem accurately. They can provide professional guidance on the necessary repairs to ensure your car shifts smoothly and safely from parking to driving. Remember, Addressing shifting issues promptly is crucial for your safety on the road. By following these diagnostic steps and seeking professional assistance when needed, you can ensure a swift and effective repair process for your car stuck in a parking dilemma. Preventive maintenance tips. Regular transmission inspections. Regular transmission inspections are vital to maintaining the health of your vehicle's transmission system. By checking the transmission fluid levels and quality, inspecting for leaks, and ensuring all components are in good condition, you can prevent potential shifting issues before they escalate. Routine maintenance can help avoid costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Keeping the shifting mechanism clean. To prevent shifting problems, it's crucial to keep the shifting mechanism clean and well lubricated. Over time, debris and grime can accumulate in the shifting mechanism, leading to difficulties when changing gears. By regularly cleaning and lubricating the shifting components, you can ensure smooth gear changes and reduce the risk of malfunctions. Simple steps like wiping down the shift lever and applying lubricant can go a long way in preventing shifting issues. Incorporating these preventive maintenance tips into your car care routine can help you avoid instances where your car refuses to shift from park to drive. By staying proactive and attentive to your vehicle's needs, you can enjoy a trouble-free driving experience and extend the lifespan of your transmission system. Car shifting issues can be a huge headache but must be addressed quickly. Ignoring the problem can lead to dangerous driving conditions and costly repairs. Early attention to signs like the car not shifting from park to drive can save you time and money. Regular maintenance is key to your vehicle's health. Don't wait for problems to escalate. Take action at the first sign of trouble to ensure safety and smooth driving. Prioritize your vehicle's well-being. Your diligence in maintaining and promptly fixing issues will keep you safe on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.